Bro, so this video is going to be about trends, right? Trends, highs and lows. I'm gonna show this video just by this simulation first, and then the next video, if this video short enough, I can put it in a this, but we just put in our next video the actual charts, right? Now the market moves up and down like a bouncing ball. That is how the market moves. Some of the time when now, yo bro, most of the time we're not gonna get a straight line move. We never ever get a straight line move all the time. In fact, let me be truthful. 99% of the time, the market will move something like this, this, or this. But it doesn't move like, it not gonna move like this 99% of the time. This is 1% of the time, the market move like this, and that is usually like with news events, right? Let me go up on the actual chart. Now, we are going to draw two lines here, so. As you can see down at the bottom, you see some lightning sign. This is to indicate that news is coming out at that particular time of the day, right? So in this 15 minutes, this candle move all the way down here at news. News came out and the candle move rapidly, move all the way down. Now, this is why I say there's only a certain time the move will be made. Now, this candle was made in 15 minutes, this big candle. The last time the price was at this level was over here. That I last time the price I went down at the level here. See? And if we tell us that each one I candle them last 15 minutes, we are gonna count to 3 hours in the market as compared to 15 minutes. So the candle touch back down here, so in 15 minutes, as opposed to the market moving from here to here for how long. Our count 3 hours worth of candle. So what's that here? So 15, 30, 45, 60. That's a 1 hour. 15, 30, 45, 60. 2 hour, 15, 30, 45, 60. So that's a 3 hour. This a while ago what we talked about. So from this point so to that point, that's a 3 hour. But during news time, the market was able to push a 15-minute candle from even at a higher area down to this area right here. So that is the 1% of time when you have a big candle just run right up, usually during news time, right? So 99% of the time you will not get a straight down drive like the candle I showed you a while ago during news time. So we're gonna get rid of that. See? Now we're gonna talk about highs and lows. The market moves in a zigzag type of way, and that is because the buyers and the seller them are always at it. Yes, I mean, them always compete who stronger each time, or some people want to enter the market, so they will sell it off and then we buy back. You understand? Now, just so we get this, understand this, the people them who have the big money, they want to take our money. It's like a bully thing. Them just a work with take what we have, because that's what them make for them money, isn't it? Which we know about how that go already. That's how them stay rich, isn't it? Taking people the money who can't trade yet. But yeah, that's how them do it. But the market moves up and down. It's like a ball. If you well up a tennis ball in the air and release it, it go drop and bounce a couple times, right? So that's how the market moves. What if you go up one time, if you go down back, isn't it? But there are trends to the moves, but also there are areas in which the market have to touch before going to our next level, right? So if the market should start at this point right here, and we're gonna talk about it like this is a starting point. In order for this to reach to this level, in order for it to reach this level, let me use that one here. In order for the market to reach that level, bro, it have to go up and go down. Say have to do a bounce first before it go up. So you know when people that say, yo, the more them push, the more them fight you, as stronger your guitar, the higher you go. That the higher you go. You reach one next level, start get some fight, bring it down a little bit. But when time you come back story forward, a higher you go. That's how the market move. Up, down, up, and up how supposed to be higher than the last time you were up. So you're supposed to graduate levels. But in order for your graduate levels, you have to go through some experiences and, lose some track sometime and then you gain it back and then see just get bigger. You go to a higher level. You see me? That's how the market move. So in order for your market to continue pushing up, you have to go down first and go up. You see me? Because that's how the market move up and down. Bear in mind, so the market do the same thing every day. Market do the same thing every day. So it just happen at different times and just you have to figure out when to make your money. See? So in trading terms now, this is the entry point in any uptrend. The first point of entry from a support level. This is a support level I'm drawing so. And the support level is where the price struggle to go below. So imagine if this was move the entire thing. Alright. Let's imagine if this was together. The market came down and it can't go below this, so it changed direction. We are going to talk about kind of Mr. Ugly man. Yeah, so like we say, shit. So like we say, the market come down here, so the way if you do and it can't break below. This is a support level. This is where the price have trouble going below. We talked about that already. See? Now, when it will turn back, it will create a new high. See? So this is the low. It will start here, so this is a high. Because this is a new area. Usually the market was in a downtrend, but now changed like you want going to uptrend. So this is now a high. The market have a push down first, not breaking this low, because if you break this low, then it will be still in a downtrend. You understand what I'm saying? Once the lower break the lower, it would not be in an uptrend. It will be in it's a continued downtrend. But if you go at the same level, we will consider it this, but when I reach this yet. But usually to indicate an uptrend, the price will not break the low, isn't it? So this is the low right here. So it's supposed to be above the previous low. Most of the time, to go above the previous low. So low, high, low, but upon the same level or below the previous low. So this is a higher low because this low is higher than this low. This is a high, all right? The price I go push, break this high. That is an indication that the market has changed direction. It's going in an uptrend. And give you a new high. So this is a higher than this a higher. So this is the higher high because it's definitely higher than this a higher. See? And then you see it continues. Low. The lower higher than the lower, so it's a higher low, high. The higher than this a higher. So higher high and just continue. That is an uptrend, right? Now this is how we know the market really wants to move in a particular direction. Remember we talk about support and resistance, right? Usually how support and resistance work, whichever area the market breaks out of and retraces a little bit, the resistance now turns a support. So we're going to talk about one house. We'll talk about upstairs and downstairs. Now we are going upstairs, downstairs. Upstairs, downstairs. We'll talk about floor level. Alright, so this is ground level, so which is first floor. This is second floor. This is third floor. This is fourth floor. In every stairs house, the floor and then a roof for the first floor. But on the second floor, the first floor roof is the second floor's floor. So this, and when the price breaks from this area, and the price breaks from this area and goes into this area, when the price breaks from this area, make a seat, you know. When the price break from the area, bro, and go to this area, the support levels move. So this price move from this area going to a new area higher than the previous high. Now the low that comes after it usually doesn't go below this, because here is now the support level for the new high. So we that take time move this up. So we have to take out this now. Change that to red. So this is now a support level, and this is now a resistance level. And if you want to move from the second floor to the third floor, same rule applies. Same rule. So if this move go up and break this high, it's now in a new area. So this resistance now becomes a support. So this will turn red now. And then you push further up and create a new high. Over time, this is going to become a support for your next move to push up if you should continue, right? That's how it works. So low, high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. So an uptrend is made up of lower highs and higher highs. On the flip side, a downtrend is made up of lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. On the downtrend, but the uptrend, lower higher lows and higher highs, downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. Is me. So that's why I make the same concept will be used over here as well. So this the resistance level will be the starting point. That a starting point, and like we say, we are trying to reach doing so. This is this resistance. It comes down here, and once it bounces from that level, this will be an area of support. Go up, can't pass us up, push down. This is now another area of support. Right as so too. But once it bounces, you are creating new support as it. Once the market bounces, you create an area of support. So this is how it's supposed to look. Down, up, as me, like that. Go down again, create a support. And this is going to become a resistance. You see me? So I just side go up on each side. You see me? Which you have to understand. Some more when time we start trade live. This now is when the price is moving sideways, and any price is moving sideways in the same range, not giving you a good uptrend or a good downtrend. It is called consolidation. The price just move up and down in one range. I'm going to show you this now next time.